don't think you're aware of the circumstances that you've created around yourself. Okay, this is getting a little too heavy for me, David. I don't think I can see you anymore.
No. I think the problem is that you can't see yourself anymore. Why do you keep insisting on making it so very hard for me to love you? Okay, I just wanted sex. You're so parsimonious. I don't even... My love for you is so complete and severe. This isn't some wispy teenage love that you can just wiggle your way out of. You are scaring me, David. I'm scaring you? Well, that's rich. I want to make this work. Do you? I practically abandoned my own life for you. You're the one who's neglecting to see what is happening here. I can't do this, okay? I have to go. Go ahead. Go ahead. After I purchase this product for you? Walk out on your soulmate. I bought you this. I bought it. I know where you live. I know where your parents live. Yeah, it's okay. See what happens. See what happens!